Ah, he see it. He's going to remove things. Ah, he knows. Ala, alam na alam niya. Yan. What's that, baby? What's that? You tell daddy to help you, baby.
Give her shoes for
Gashi.
John.
Yeah.
Okay, what? Okay. Let me see. I'm gonna dig it all out.
Honey, can you pull it out?
Yeah, look at all this stuff.
Oh,
Okay, good. Hold on. See?
Allah, see?
Need wipes? Baby wipes? Look at all
Sorry.
the shoes. Got you lots of shoes.
His attention is on his car.
Yeah, okay.
You tell daddy, daddy, please help me. See?
Okay. I need to get out. Okay. Let me see.
Ay, wow! I like that. Wow, nice
I got you
shoes.
a little rack, you know, you put together for. I'll show you how to put little
Okay.
stuff in there.
Hmm.
Fold it, put little stuff in there.
Wow, nice. Yes. Baby, baby. There, oh, there now. Wow, you got lots of shoes.
Yeah.
Baby, there's your car.
Yeah.
Allah, Allah. It might. Careful.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah. What else I have in here? What else?
Wow!
Yeah.
Wow! Look at his face.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh, I gotta fix it. I gotta put the battery in.
Paborito niya pa naman yan.
Yeah! Tingnan mo naman ang smile niya.
Tayo sa ano, sa
Centris.
tower.
Yeah!